showed me the door.
But you always came crawling back, begging me for more. I showed you kindness, a stool and a cat.
Then you poured me my pain in a dirty glass.
Yeah, you left him bloody battered.
You have to tell her to bray. To label it as well. Label? What do you mean label? You know what the label is? You can't. Fuck! I mean, of course I know what label, but what do you mean label? No, balmers. We have to label balmers. Bullshit.
It's all in the past, bitch, cause now I got it big. Dusty, dusty, dollar there, you left me dying right there. And whiskey, gin, and pints of beer, and coffee, and my dog. Dusty, dusty, dollar there, you left me dying right there. And whiskey, gin, and pints of beer, and coffee, and my dog.
Romeo, I don't think we can store our toxic waste safely in Bray.
What do you mean? Relax, Oleg.
Can you be sure the acid isn't going to be discovered somehow?
Ah, don't worry. Oleg, our barrels will be stored next to the barrels with beer.
Sounds like a good plan.
It is a good plan. You know, they won't be discovered.
It won't be discovered.
No, it won't.
Why? How?
Well, just because there will be labels Bulmers on the barrels.
Bulmos? What does it mean?
It's like our acid, more or less.
What? Oh! So it's going to be alright.
Totally. Yeah.
So, they won't be discovered.
No, they won't. No, for sure.
Great. So let's get straight to business.
Good.
Slows his winning rate, got delivered a rake in the gates of hell tonight. Yeah! Miles eyes are sparkling diamonds, still the moon shows no light. This rolls his winning rate, got delivered a rake in the gates of hell tonight. Miles eyes are sparkling diamonds, still the moon shows no light. Suppose it's where to make I can live in a rank at the gates of hell tonight.
Well, I took a stroll on the old long walk today. I met a little girl and we stopped to talk and find something. And I asked her, friend, what's a fella do? Her hair's black and her eyes are blue. And I knew right then I've been taking the world down a sawtooth farm with a collar. What's a fella do? Her hair was black and her eyes.
What are you drinking? Camper Blau. You?
Slaughterhouse Red. That's really good stuff.
It's really good, yeah. What are you drinking?
It's a Bulmer.
Bulmer. Oh, I never heard it. Can I? Yeah, sure.
Not too much.
Okay, come on, man.
Come on, what's wrong with it?
How can you drink something like this?
With a broken heart and a chicken.
I'm not
Let's finish all the stuff and take it out.
I think I'll be going. Let's have another 5.
Let's have another beer.
It's already late. We will meet on the cliffs.
Yes, see you.
Wake up, you can going with you!
Rising above our land of black and green. Hear rebels' voices calling, I shall not die, they bury me. Hear the anthem by the dying, where is my Johnny? Faded pictures in the hallway, which one of these brown gloves to see? Fare thee well, my brother, diamond, fare thee well, my own estate. Thus to you, do you haunt me till I come back home again? It blows the north and south and blows the east and west. I'll be just like the wind will blow, for I will have no rest till I return to thee. And the wind it blows the north and south and blows the east and west. I'll be just like the wind will blow, for I will have no rest till I return to thee.